Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, let me come back with another video. Hey, man, say, man, look, I'm just making sure everything is right. We got Alabama rapper home raided by police during Facebook Live. Yo, shout out to Cut to the Chase TV, man. Y'all know we used to always react to him. Now that we back on our reaction stuff, bro, y'all already know how we coming. Y'all already know what's going on. So let's hop straight into it. Make sure y'all go subscribe. Make sure y'all go support that man, Cut to the Chase TV. We about to watch some stupidity. And while we watch stupidity, I got my food, bro. I'm not going to cap to y'all. I got a hamburger, I got a hot dog, and I got an oxtail. I know it's like kind of, but I'm hungry. Okay? I'm hungry. And yeah. Let's hop straight into the video, man. Make sure y'all turn on post notifications because y'all know this is all we do, bro. When I come home, bro, I watch YouTube. This is what I do, bro. I just watch YouTube. All right. So, hopefully the audio is okay. Everything is okay. If it's not, just comment down below. Let's hop straight into it. Let's get it. Let's go.
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and be sure to share this video. I got some news
for you Negroes today. Come on, man. What's going on?
If none of your friends have told you about the Skip Forever button, those aren't your friends.
I'm just making sure.
And if it sounds familiar to you, it's probably
I'm just making sure, y'all.
Rapper Home was raided by police during a Facebook live stream while he was showing.
Hold on, y'all. I gotta handle some business.
Everybody began laughing. Everybody started making jokes, and I'm thinking to myself, what the hell is wrong with him? This dude sat on Facebook Live for hours. Weed bags everywhere. He's flashing money. He got scales on the table. He got weed bags on his head. He's treating this like it's an episode of BET How You Living. He's treating it like he's on MTV Cribs. So I'm thinking to myself, how stupid can you be? The problem is not you going live. The problem is you going live doing illegal activities. Because whether we like it or not, weed is still illegal in the state of Alabama. So why would you hop your ass on a live stream with a big ass bag of weed? You rapping in the camera. You doing a whole bunch of miscellaneous shit. Now I get you supposed to be a rapper. I get you
all for nothing.
Lifestyle. I get you want to document your lifestyles and videos for your fans. But you
dumb as hell.
So you willing to risk your life? You willing to risk your...
He said you only got 3 of them.
Ain't nobody checking for you like that. So you could have kept this behind the scenes. I'm just being honest about this whole situation. And then got the nerve to be surprised when you hear that knock on the door. He was on Facebook Live for hours, flashing money, flashing drugs. As soon as he heard that knock on the door, that nigga froze up. That nigga tried to run toward the back room. Too late. I'm gonna play you guys this video.
Where you going?
Because it is shocking what happens next. Take a look at this. Let's go.
How about?
You see what we have? It's a million ways to get a bag before I sit up and be broke.
It's a million ways to get a bag, and you chose that dumbass way.
I'm gonna go get some cash.
Now you see him, he's on Facebook Live, big old bag of weed, he's rolling up, he's rapping, and he's bragging about it. Now he's supposed to be some type of drug dealer, and I thought the key was to remain low key if you move in that way. But a lot of people get caught up because they want that clout. A lot of people get caught up because they want that fame. Moving weight in the streets is not enough for some people. They want the clout that comes with it, and that's what this reminds me of. Cause think about that.
Oh yeah, y'all. And I got the sweet tea too.
Weight in the streets, they like to have candy paint. They like to have big rims on their car, loud speakers, and they be riding down the street with the doors open. And the moment the police get behind them, they pull them over. They find all type of drugs and weed in the car. Why wasn't you low key? That's how I feel about this dude. Trying to be loud, trying to be seen, and it backfired on him like it do a lot of people. But let's continue.
Only one person know the code to my stash. We trying. On Rocket Purple.
Y'all see little homie by the window? Soon as they hit him with that flash grenade, he froze up. That nigga stopped in real time because he knew it was over. Now the homie that was on Facebook Live, he's the cause.
He ducked off.
As soon as he heard the knock on the door, he grabbed that big bag of weed and tried to run. But he didn't get too far because
you dumb as hell.
Already on your heels. The police is watching you, bro. Why would you hop on live stream? Let's just say this. Let's say you hop
Listen, bro. And I ain't gonna be doing all that pausing this video because I got y'all know I watch hundreds of other videos, right? Come on, bro. Don't be stupid, bro. Why y'all doing illegal activities online? Y'all niggas posting all this stuff online. Y'all dumb as hell.
Hop on live stream to communicate with your fans, to show
We know the feds watching every single activity. We know, bro. We know.
them that you really living the life you rap about. What about other people watching your live stream? Because you gotta think about it like this: when you go live on any platform, you don't see who's watching you. It just say one viewer, and the police always say we use social media. And think about it this way: you look like a street nigga, you might got ops, you might got enemies. So somebody
He dumb as hell.
Hey look. Lil Pino on live right now. He got a whole bunch
dumb
of
as
money,
hell.
a whole bunch of weed. Y'all need to go raid that house. He moving that way. Somebody could have did you like that. So I just thought it was a bad move for you to do this anyway. But let's continue watching.
See your hands. Move. Show me your hands. Stay right there. Stand up. Turn around. Put your hands in your fucking head. Stand up, motherfucker. Stand up. Stand up and put your hands on your fucking head. Turn away from me. Back up. Back up. Keep coming. Keep coming, motherfucker.
Check this out.
Damn! Overly aggressive ass. Cussing them out. Overly aggressive.
Y'all hear that black officer? He busting there. He's cussing the dude out.
The black officer worse than the white one.
Hands on your effing head, and that rubbed a lot of people the wrong way. Cause I've been
That's
reading
tough,
comments,
bro.
I've been hearing people talk about it. They saying he was doing too much, but I'm gonna tell you why that black officer did that. He was mad as hell. Cause he's looking at the dude like, "Damn, you dumb motherfucker! You all on Facebook Live. You got the weed. You got the
That's
dope,
facts, though.
braggadocious about it. I come into work. I gotta do it right. I thought I had an easy day today. I thought I would be doing work at the police station. I thought I would be sitting on my ass. Now you got me out here in tactical gear, a helmet on. Now I gotta come raid you. Now I gotta actually do some work. So that's why that police officer is mad, because he's disgusted with the dude.
That's
He's thinking to
facts.
himself, nigga, how stupid can you be?
How stupid can you get?
How dumb can you be? And a lot of people don't like that. A lot of people want these drug dealers to be shown respect. They want them to be handled with
I mean,
kid
fuck them
gloves.
drug
Like
dealers.
that, 'cause when you get to prison, ain't no talking to you nicely. If you don't do what the
You
guards
dumb
say,
as hell.
they gonna whoop your ass or they gonna yell at you. Simple as that. So we need to go on with that. Oh, he's being too harsh on him.
Yeah, them niggas stupid as hell.
Like that. He's a drug dealer and a stupid one at that. So he don't deserve no respect after you sat on Facebook Live for hours showing off your drugs, rapping in the camera like you ain't doing no shit illegal. What the hell wrong with you, bro?
He dumb as
I
hell.
should just mush your forehead for that, bro. That's stupid shit.
Mush your ass, nigga.
Anyway, this guy's supposed to be a rapper. A lot of people kept hitting me up about it.
You dumb as hell, bro.
It's a rapper that got rated on Facebook Live. So I looked him up. And he's even worse on IG. You thought he was self-snitching in his video.
On
Wait
his-
till
on
we
his-
get to
on his
IG
pictures?
page, because it is shocking what we see. I'm gonna bring it up, and we're gonna come back.
Sometimes I just like when it comes to dumb shit, bro. When I begin watching dumb shit, I just be beginning to lose like brain cells. You know what I mean? Like I just be losing brain cells, and this shit be like just in the video. But I'm gonna continue to watch. But
Get some more. Let's go. Boom! That's his Instagram page. It is nho.jimmy. And when you look at his page,
Hold up.
I noticed
Hold on, I
something
gotta
that
go.
stood out to me.
Hold on, y'all.
He's a rapper, but I looked at his followers. He's actually following more people
Than
than
he's-
following him. That's rule number one. He already broke.
Oh
If you're a
my
rapper,
God,
you gotta look
bro.
bigger than life.
He
You
dumb
gotta
as
look like you
hell,
got
bro.
motion to your audience. You can't be on IG
And he still got
following more
13.
people than you got
He got
followers.
10 more. He got 10 more followers off of that raid. He dumb as hell.
You ain't really got motion like that. They don't make you a damn about no NHO Jimmy, so I don't know why he risked his freedom by going on Facebook Live. And let's continue looking at his IG page. And when you go to his page, it's typical hood nigga shit. Flashing
Typical
money,
bullshit.
flashing money, nigga get a little money. He ain't used to it. They run right to the internet, post a video doing a money sleeve. They counting the money, and 2 days later, they still got that same stack of money. He gonna be.
He talking about folks got me all on say cheese. You dumb as hell.
The money stack gonna get smaller and smaller. See, y'all gotta be careful with this. Cause when you go to these knucklehead pages, they only post that money stack at certain times. It might go months before they post another stack of money.
Listen, bro. Listen, I'm done looking at this shit because his Instagram get even more stupider. Like he posting, he got his kid on this bitch. He dumb as hell. The crazy part is like he talking about world start posting him this and that and the third. Bro, listen, bro. This what's really going on, right? This what's really going on. You talking about world start posting you, bro. They posting you because you stupid. They not posting you. See, you a rapper, bro, and you posting guns. I can't, nigga. I'm scared my phone might get infected off this shit. Hell no. He dumb as hell, y'all. I'm out, bro. Next video. I can't just sit here and just watch this bullshit. Shout out to Cut to the Chase TV, y'all. Peace, man.